Oh.
Yeah. Was that your ass or your throat or your chair?
Kotoka, first of all, how dare you? Second of all, that you've asked this before, like you know that it's my lips.
Wait, do I know? Oh!
It's like a balloon sound.
How do you do that? Wait, that's so cool.
Just press your lips together and just sort of... Stop! Cease this! Stop! You're gonna get me demonetized.
For what? Making sounds? What? I'm not doing ASMR.
What if YouTube thinks like, what is this? What is this flatulence stream? What is this gas? Gas, gas, gas! Oh, God.
You just wanted to play Fortnite. This is what you have to do.
See, this is what happens when I don't get to play my Fortnite. I start losing my sanity. Come on, Epic! Ike needs his Fortnite!
I don't know though. I don't know if it was like your ass or I don't know. Like you
seize
never
this.
know.
Like full on seize this. 泣いちゃダメ、泣いちゃダメ、でも本当は言いたいよ。行かないで。